I'm McCagg with Liberty Aid Academy, and guess what's happening? January 1st, 2023, big change is coming. You got to know about this, okay? And there is a solution, and we have it. All right, what's going on? The IRS is now trying to sweep up every last penny in taxes, and guess what? Liberty Aid Academy has a trust you can operate, and you never have to pay taxes, and you never report. You just become a 501c3 organization, and that's it. You don't pay, you don't report. It's easy and fast. You can get it done within days at the most. January 1st, if you receive, okay, if you receive in any form $600 from like Venmo, PayPal, Stripe, Shopify, eBay, any platform out there that you get money through, guess what? The IRS is requiring those platforms to send out a 1099-K to everyone. A lot of people are going to have to pay taxes they didn't know they had to pay. But everyone is going to have to report tax forms, okay? The only way to get out of this, all right, this is going to affect everyone, you see? It's really going to take up your time and or money. And this is not just this coming year. It's a rule. So it's going to now happen every year. Okay, what's the solution? We have a trust. You open up this trust, okay? And you don't pay any taxes and you don't report. Guess why? Your organization, your business, your corporation is a non-reporting 501c3 organization. There's no such thing as personal taxes or business taxes or reporting anymore. All those distinctions are gone. It doesn't matter what you do with your money, what transactions you do. That doesn't matter. Okay, that matters for every other corporation, but not for this trust. Okay, so this is a complete structural solution. It doesn't matter what you do as long as money goes in and out of that trust account. It's a total solution for all taxes and all reporting, to include this new rule. That's right, any business can be tax-free, but this new rule is solved by just all you do is you get this trust and any account you need, Shopify, Venmo, PayPal, eBay, Stripe, etc., right? Any of those you need, you just get it in the name of the trust so you don't pay taxes, you don't report. So what happens? At the end of the year, you're going to get this 1099-K, right? And see, they send it to everyone, all right? But you know, and the IRS knows, that your trust is a non-reporting and non-tax-paying entity. And so they're not going to expect any reporting or any money from you. It's a total, complete solution. We've had this for a decade. It works for 100% of the people in America. 100% works for everyone. All right, isn't it time you decided that, hey, if you love your government, go ahead and pay your government. But don't be required to. Give them a tip at the end of the year. But don't be required to pay taxes. We have the only solution that exists legally.